Following his victory in the 2026 TTAADC elections, Debbarma, the newly elected representative for the Ramchandraghat constituency, extended humanitarian aid in support of visually and speech-impaired two youth in the Gongkhor area. Following his success in the 2026 TTAADC elections, Debbarma, the representative for the 12th Ramchandraghat constituency, visited the Gongkhor area to provide assistance to two visually and speech-impaired youths. Debbarma noted that he first became aware of the circumstances during his door-to-door campaign and prioritized returning to the locality post-election to offer his formal support.
Hambaimaro joto Ramsakni lukuso, especially ani Ramsakni Ramchandraghat constituency ni joto khaka hamlukurokno. Mia hai chalo amsuke hamjak mong rekha, amsuke support manka. Tini total 25,471 the vote cast mani bishingo. Borogano 20,800 plus vote rekha. Ar the BJP always no. Sini land rights ni birut kok sanai, political rights ni birut kok sanai, basa ni birut kok sanai, borok no matro sung 2,650 vote by no, sung simit kai rekha, abo joto luku rok ni hamjak ma haisi. Am bagai angani rangsak ni Ramchandraghat ni joto luku sung no, belai ke, khabai khukbai hambai maru. And media sok ni bisingti ang 3 tarik Mars, kaisa kok samani tongo, I Gongkhor je pro sung campaign khai tong pro. Ani manai Rebika, te ani manai sini kumbar. Borong ni noga ang painay hini. Zedino ang kaplaying nai tik next dewo. That means tini hai sal 18 Aprilo painay hini ang kogromani. Tini ang borong paimalay kya. Ani torok teke je manmani ang ese bungi dara angay. Borno chuba paikya. Tai o chuba mani omso bay tagla. Bas kani salo ani halo relationship. Borok bay ese nukung ni poribarang ang basaza. Bus kang salo borok dote yak chuba paine nai paine te kubu kerengui tongnai haisi ka blai ke hambai maro haisi obono sini khlaijak thai bus kang salo ba te challenges sini tongo jaga wa hamya chaya borok rok sung bai ke nai kol nai jaga o lama hamya tei manengya aborok no sung bai ke chuba nai ini obo hai samung rok ni bagino bubagra ha bubagra no bang blai khabe khukbai hambai bini hamjak mung bini support Tai buana je save money 12 Ramchandraghat constituency samong tangnani bagai ini ang applying money pore habu bagrana hambai ruwi je bini imang Tripura sarok no thansa khainani Tripura sarok no chubanani Tripura sarok ni bial ni taimo basanani abo ang tini samong first step khaimama bagai ang balai ke tongthokjak tai ang sini team rok no warriors rok balai hambai maro especially tabuk sini brother Rupo jaga tongo sini brother Ritan song tongo TWF ni leaders sok tongo sini MLS EM sini joto warriors sok tai o para o naikon tongo sini brother Pranab DC chairman sini brother Deepak tai joto sini leaders sok khoroksa kai angnalia tai bo sini warriors sok tongo blai ke active borok no blai ke ang hambai tai proud feel khayo je abo haya asik strong team Dofana hamjaknai team no manmani bagai bus kangi salo o samong je khaijagya bara tongmani yem ni bo tongmani abrok no sung khlaine ang yem bai bo continuously kok salai tongo te sini MLA sab bai bo kok salai tongo bus kangi salo sini o khaijagya bara rok no sung khlaine haisi
Reported by Biplov from Chini, Khorang.